This is showing the roadway just inside Rocky Mountain National Park from the west side. In 2020, October, this fire started. It was named the East Troublesome Fire. You can look it up online if you want to know more. But it burned a total of 193,000 acres. It started 50 miles to the west and burned over into the edge of the town of Estes Park. They were all out by Thanksgiving because in that year, 2020, we had 3 fires that were over 100,000 acres. One of them was over 200,000. This was 193,000 acres. We had the Pine Gulch Fire north of Grand Junction, which was 139,000 acres. So this is what you see when you go in the west entrance. The park, Rocky Mountain National Park, has reservation system. You need a reservation to get in between 9 and 3. They don't have a whole lot of pull-offs like some other national parks do, and you cannot park on the road to look at deer or elk or moose. You've got to keep moving because there's so many people there. It's a beautiful place, and the snows of this spring have, the grass is growing abundantly, the wildflowers are out. So in a few years, it's gonna start looking pretty good again. I wouldn't let this deter you from going to it. But this is the road up to the little lake that is the start of the Colorado River. And I wanted to show this to you.